This is a guide to travelling global while shopping like a local. Hi everyone, I'm James, and welcome to HasWings, your go-to channel for travel tips, guides and ideas to make your adventures unforgettable. Whether you're a seasoned traveller or just starting to explore the world, I'm here to help you discover new ways to travel smarter, connect with local cultures, and have fun along the way. Today, we're diving into a topic that combines two things I love: travel and supporting local communities. Small Business Saturday is the perfect time to shine a spotlight on the small businesses that make our destinations truly special. And here's the twist. We're taking that spirit abroad. Stick around as we explore why shopping small while travelling is a win-win for you and the community, where to find the best local gems, and a few tips to get the most out of your experience. Let's get started. Why shop local? While travelling. Shopping local while travelling isn't just about finding unique souvenirs. It's a chance to connect with the culture and directly support the people who make your destination special. Many small businesses rely on tourism, so your purchases have a tangible impact on the community. Plus, you're likely to discover items that you can't find anywhere else, like handmade jewellery, regional delicacies, or one-of-a-kind art pieces. These make perfect gifts or keepsakes to remember your trip. Where to shop? Small abroad. Markets are a fantastic place to start. Whether it's a flea market in Paris, a night market in Thailand, or a craft fair in Mexico, these vibrant spaces are often filled with local artisans showcasing their work. Don't overlook family-owned shops and small cafes. Chat with the owners. They'll often have stories about their products and can recommend other hidden spots nearby. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. 1. Research in advance. Look up local markets and small businesses before your trip. Apps and guidebooks often highlight these spots. 2. Ask locals. Hotel staff, tour guides, or even other travellers can point you toward the best local finds. 3. Choose handmade. Seek out items that are crafted locally, rather than mass-produced imports. 4. Be respectful. Bargaining is common in some places, but always be polite and fair. Remember, you're supporting someone's livelihood. And don't forget, supporting small businesses doesn't have to be limited to shopping. Dining at family-owned restaurants and booking with local tour operators are great ways to make a difference. Small business. Saturday is an opportunity to shop with intention, and incorporating it into your travels adds a layer of connection to your experience. So, whether you're heading to a bustling city or a quiet village, take the time to explore and support the small businesses that make your destination unique. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know in the comments if you've found any amazing local shops during your travels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and ideas. Until next time, happy exploring.